Here's a pair of Bose NC700 headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect directly to a Vizio Smart TV via Bluetooth. Now take note, this exact model number is in the description below, but my old Vizio TV doesn't have Bluetooth built in, so I have to use a Bluetooth transmitter. Anyway, this model here does have Bluetooth, this Vizio. Let me click on settings on the remote, the gear icon. And then you can see on the left, it says pair headphones right there. Okay, so let me go ahead and click on OK right there. And now as soon as you click on OK, you see under other devices, you should see a little round thing circling. Okay, so it's searching for any devices in pairing mode. If yours is not circling around, unplug the TV, plug it back in, and then try again. Okay, anyway, still searching. So we got to put this in pairing mode now. And let me go ahead and turn these on. Power button here. And what you want to wait for a blue pulsating light indicating that it's in pairing mode. You can see it's blinking blue, blue, blue. So it's in pairing mode. So now we just have to wait till it finds it. And you can see the Bose NC700 right there. So let me go down right there. And we're going to pair it right now. Give it 1 second. And then once it's connected, we should see like a solid blue light on here. Okay. So there we go. You can see the check mark right there. We're connected. Now I can watch my YouTube or Netflix or whatnot. If you have trouble putting it in a pairing mode or connecting or whatnot, you can always factory reset these as well. Just look in the link below in the description. Okay? Good luck, guys.